All right, so previously we tested the happy path, and basically we can save new customer, right? So we can save a new customer basically. So what I want you to do now is the following. So go ahead and scroll to the top at this class right here, and right here click on this button, run test, and then right here, so run customer registration service test with coverage. So go ahead and run that with the coverage, and there we go. So now we have some output right here. So right here you can see that we have this information, and basically it says that 70% of classes and 54% lines covered in all classes in scope, right? And you can see here the class was 70% tested, the method was actually 42%, and the line was 54. So when we test, right, so as I said before, we need to test all the edge cases, right, all the test scenarios, right? So what I want to show you here is that we still have a bit more testing to do. So go ahead and now open the customer registration service, and if you notice now, because we ran the test with coverage, you can see that we have some green lights right here. So actually the lines are green, right? So this means that this is actually being tested, right? So if you look carefully, so we've tested this bit here as well, and we've covered line 21, 20, 21, 22, the same with 24, and also we tested D line 32 right here, right? So what we haven't tested are the red lines, and that's correct, right? So we haven't we actually didn't write any test that covers everything within this branch, right? So when you write tests, make sure that at the end of your tests, or not necessarily at the end, but make sure that you run with coverage, just to make sure that you haven't missed anything. So whatever is red, try and test it. So now that you know that we have still a bit more testing to do, next let's go ahead and test if this condition is true.